The Kesnos 80 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking to control moisture levels in their homes or basements. With its impressive Energy Star certification, this dehumidifier is not only highly efficient, but also environmentally friendly. It consumes significantly less electricity compared to non-certified models, resulting in lower operating costs and a reduced carbon footprint. This dehumidifier boasts an impressive moisture removal capacity, capable of extracting up to 80 pints of moisture per day under specific conditions, 95 degrees Fahrenheit, 90% RH. This makes it ideal for medium to large spaces, covering areas up to 5,500 square feet, with its adjustable humidity settings ranging from 30% to 80% RH. You can create a comfortable and healthy living environment. Studies suggest that maintaining humidity levels between 40% and 60% RH is optimal for health, and this dehumidifier excels at achieving and maintaining this range. The front LED display is a convenient feature, providing real-time humidity readings at a glance. You can monitor humidity levels anytime, ensuring you always have control over your indoor environment. Additionally, the display can be turned off without disrupting the unit's operation, allowing for flexibility based on personal preference. One of the standout features is the dehumidifier's automatic functions. It automatically stops when the desired humidity level is reached, preventing overdrying and ensuring energy efficiency. In the event of a power outage, the automatic restart function kicks in, resuming operation and recovering memory settings, so you don't have to worry about manual adjustments. With its ergonomic design, including an easy-to-carry handle, removable and reusable filter, and removable water tank, maintenance and portability are effortless. The unit also features overheat protection, adding an extra layer of safety. Overall, the Kesnos 80 Pints Energy Star Dehumidifier is a top-notch choice for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality and control moisture levels. Its energy efficiency, powerful performance, and convenient features make it a reliable and cost-effective solution for medium to large spaces.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.